Hi, it's Daniel from Clipsal. We'll be at the Sydney Home Show. Let me show you some of the great things around our stand. Beginning with our iconic range of product. So starting with our Bluetooth range of product as well, which is a push button switch. Operates a light at the bottom of the stand. It's a really simple control. Just touching that on and off as we go allows you to create a bit of a feature in the home as well. As we move across the stand, we also have our 3-port USB. So each person can have a port, and what you can easily do with that is just whack your phone on top, your tablet on top, keep it off the bench tops, no problem. If we move across one more, it's what we call our night light. So it plugs into a standard double power point, just unplugs and plugs back in if required, and then that sensor lights up and allows you just to, with the light that comes out of the bottom, just guide your way through a hallway. So it's just the start of the journey at the moment. Once we go across to our Saturn range of products, we do have some products here that can really be the icing on the cake, beginning with our Saturn range in a glass look, available in black, as you see here, with blue LED indication. And these also control the lights as it did the iconic. So once we hit that on and off, the blue indication will show you whether that light is on or off. And they're also available in colours such as ocean mist here, and also in what we call our pure white. So that adds some real flair. And then we can also go across to a matte metallic finish in our Horizon series, Horizon Black and Horizon Silver. And these two are also part of the Saturn range in two colours only, matte black and matte white. Again, with the USB charger and shelf as well for your tablet and your phones. Then we'll come across to our, if you like, European-based switches, so our Medina range of products. So really European-based for us. And each one of these surrounds does correlate to a Laminex colour too, so really adaptable to your home. And they also have LED indication if you need. What we'll do, we'll just go across to our bench top here. So if you've got an office or a kitchen and you want things to be nice and clean, nothing on the wall, beautiful range of push-up bench devices. You can put USB ports in these spaces here, power points, push it straight back down. Again, nice and simple, keeps things really clean on the bench top. And another great feature we've got here on the standard Clipsal is our 3D active experience based on a real-life model in Sydney. To take you through it very quickly, we have here home automation. And we can start with lighting control, and our active experience allows you to have a look at your floor plan, taking you into each room so you know where everything's going to go. We'll base it on lighting control, which you can turn all your lighting on and off and dim as well. Also takes you through other aspects such as energy monitoring with electric vehicle charges if required, and a bit of security too. So it just takes you through the whole floor plan, allows you to plot where everything's going to be. Part of the experience here at Clipsal.